A few years ago, at one of my jobs, I got the chance to try out a Cintiq tablet for the first time. At that time, I was not really able to adapt to drawing or sculpting on a screen, as back then the Cintiq tablet I tried would get really hot to the point where it would become a little bit uncomfortable to use. It is no secret that Huion has become a very popular tablet maker, and it's really well known amongst many artists, so when they reached out to me to let me try one of their display tablets, I was very much intrigued. This is the first Huion tablet I ever tried, so I will give my first impressions not just on the tablet, but Huion and the quality of their products in general. For this unboxing and review, I got the Huion Kamvas 22. This is a display tablet with a very sizable screen size. The tablet currently goes for about $450 on Amazon. That may sound like a lot of money, but for a screen tablet this size, it's actually a pretty good deal, especially considering the price of other tablets on the market, such as the Cintiq line. The contents in the box came in very nicely packaged, as expected, with the tablet and components packaged in a very nicely manner, which would avoid any damage during shipping. What you get here is a tablet, the cables to connect to the computer, phone or tablet, and a very nice pen with pen holder and also the stand for the tablet. Setting up the tablet with the stand is fairly straightforward. 4 screws on the back and you're ready to start using it. It also has a nice button which you can pull to lower or raise the rotation of the screen. Setting up to use it is also fairly easy. Just plug in all the parts and install the latest driver for it. For this video, I tried using it with ZBrush and Photoshop, as those are the main programs where I see myself using a tablet. I don't typically use tablets for 3D modeling, for example. I have to say I'm very impressed by the responsiveness of the tablet. As I tried it with ZBrush and Photoshop, there was really no input lag that I could see. All my strokes would appear on the screen as I drew them with the pen. One cool thing too is that you don't need to mess around with any settings in ZBrush or Photoshop, as pen pressure is automatically detected. Pen pressure here was also very good. That, combined with no input lag, makes this a really good tablet. Another great thing about this tablet is that the screen doesn't get too hot the longer you use it. I noticed that the back of it would warm up a bit, but the actual screen did not get very warm during my use. I'm also not typically someone who likes big drawing tablets, as I find it more physically demanding to move my hand around all over the tablet, which is not the case on smaller tablets. For this tablet, that is not something that I can complain about. Because it's a screen tablet, it feels a lot more natural, like drawing on a piece of paper, where you would naturally move your hand around to the spot you are sculpting or drawing, as opposed to drawing while looking at a computer monitor where things are a little more disconnected. The screen size for this tablet is absolutely a plus. This may sound really biased, but I really don't think I have many complaints for this tablet. Perhaps the only thing I could knock it on is the simple nature of the 2-button pen and not much more. This really is just nitpicking from my part, as I do think the pen works just as it should. All in all, this is a great display tablet, really great size with no glare as well. This is one of the most responsive display tablets I have tried. If you find getting yourself this tablet, I can honestly say you will not be disappointed. I'm going to leave a link in the video description to it. Also, if you have any questions about it, just let me know in the video description. What do you guys think about this tablet? And if you already have it, how do you think it performs? Is it really as good as I am making it up to be? As I said, there will be a link in the video description. I do want to also thank the folks from Huion for sending me this tablet in particular, as it really turned out to be better than I expected. Alright everyone, I hope you liked this video, and if you do, I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers!